Mickey's Space Adventure, Exploring the Stars. Blast off with Mickey. It was a quiet, starry night in Hot Dog Hills, and Mickey Mouse was lying on a blanket in his backyard, gazing up at the twinkling sky through a telescope. "Gosh," he whispered, "just imagine what's out there, planets, stars, maybe even aliens. There's a whole universe waiting to be explored." Mickey had always loved space. Ever since he was a little mouse, he dreamed of flying past the moon, touching the rings of Saturn, and dancing among the stars. All over his house were model rockets, books about astronomy, and posters of astronauts and planets. On his walls were glow-in-the-dark constellations, and his favorite slippers looked like tiny space boots. Tonight was special. Professor Von Drake had invited Mickey on a real space mission aboard the Star Seeker 1, a brand new rocket designed for cosmic exploration. "Hot dog!" Mickey exclaimed. "I've got my helmet polished, my suit zipped up, and my space snacks packed. Tomorrow I'm going to space." Montages played in Mickey's mind as he got ready, spinning planets, glowing stars, curious moons, and distant galaxies. He dreamed of zooming past Mars, discovering new life, and waving at Earth from the stars. "I can't wait," he said with a grin, "to see what's really out there." Mickey's Rocket Ride. The next morning at the Space Center, Mickey stood in front of the Star Seeker 1. It was enormous, gleaming silver, tall as a skyscraper, with bold red fins and shiny solar panels that sparkled in the sun. Minnie, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, and Pluto were all there to cheer him on. "Ready for liftoff?" Goofy asked. "Yup. Countdown starts soon," Mickey replied, adjusting his helmet. Inside the control room, flashing buttons lit up the cockpit. Screens showed galaxies, planetary maps, and countdown timers. Astro Ludwig, the onboard talking computer who sounded just like Professor Von Drake, booted up. "Welcome aboard, Captain Mickey. Countdown begins in T-10 seconds." As the numbers ticked down, exciting music swelled. The engines roared to life. Smoke billowed beneath the launch pad. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! With a thunderous rumble, the rocket soared into the sky, leaving a fiery trail behind it. Mickey looked out the window. The Earth shrank below him, becoming a blue marble in the sea of stars. Clouds swirled, oceans sparkled, and the sun lit the horizon in gold. "Wow," Mickey whispered. "Space is even more beautiful than I imagined." Astro Ludwig chimed in, "We've safely entered orbit. Initiating cosmic journey." Mickey gave a thumbs up. To the stars and beyond. Cosmic exploration. The Star Seeker 1 zipped through space, passing moons and meteors. Mickey explored the wonders of the universe, each stop more incredible than the last. Planet Gel Onyx was covered in bouncy, jelly-like ground. Mickey giggled as he bounced over hills and collected glowing space rocks. "Did you know," said Astro Ludwig, "some moons in our solar system might have oceans beneath their icy crusts, perfect for future exploration." Next, they passed a colorful nebula, where glowing gases danced in pinks, blues, and purples. "This is where stars are born," Ludwig explained. "It's called a stellar nursery." Mickey learned about gravity as he floated in zero-G, spinning slowly like a cosmic ballerina. Astro Ludwig showed how gravity keeps planets in orbit around stars and moons around planets. They visited a black hole from a safe distance. Mickey watched as light twisted and disappeared. "It's like a space vacuum," Mickey said in awe. "Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse," Ludwig added. Each discovery left Mickey more amazed. The universe is full of mysteries, and I want to learn them all. Interstellar encounters. As Mickey approached a glittering moon called Zarpa, his ship received a mysterious signal Z2DZ. What was that? Mickey asked, adjusting the radio. Soon, a small round spaceship floated nearby, blinking with lights. Out popped a friendly alien with purple skin, googly eyes, and stretchy arms. Zorp. The alien waved. Welcome, space friend. Mickey waved back. Hiya, pal. I'm Mickey from Earth. The alien, named Zorp, introduced Mickey to his friends, bubbly globins who jiggled when they laughed, and a shy creature named Sniffler who spoke in whistles. They shared music, floating games, and strange snacks. Mickey politely declined the glowing squid noodles. Zorp communicated using pictures, dance moves, and friendly beeps. I don't understand every word, Mickey said, but I know a smile means the same everywhere. Mickey and the aliens learned from each other how Earthlings use telescopes and rockets, and how Zarpians grow musical plants that bloom with sounds. When it was time to go, Zorp gave Mickey a cosmic crystal. Thank you, Mickey said. You've shown me that no matter how far apart we live, friendship brings us together. Back to Earth. After days of discovery, Mickey charted a course home. As Earth came into view, Mickey felt a deep appreciation for the blue and green planet below. Home, he whispered. The most beautiful place in the galaxy. He gently landed the Star Seeker 1 back at the Space Center, where his friends were waiting. Tell us everything, Minnie shouted. Mickey smiled. Space is huge and full of surprises. I saw glowing clouds, met alien pals, and learned about stars, black holes, and gravity. He opened his journal filled with sketches, notes, and samples. I even brought back this alien music plant. He grinned as it made a little boing boing sound. That night, Mickey gave a presentation at the Hot Dog Hills Planetarium. Kids and families gathered to hear his stories and see photos from his adventure. He encouraged everyone to keep looking up. The more we explore, he said, the more we learn, and there is so much more to discover. Mickey's message to young explorers. At the end of his talk, Mickey shared, space is big, bright, and full of wonder. You don't need a rocket to explore it. You can start with books, telescopes, and questions. Visit planetariums, check out NASA's website, or just look up at the stars. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next space explorer. Pluto barked in agreement. Mickey waved at the crowd, a shooting star streaking across the sky behind him. See you real soon. Among the stars.